Did you know that 93% of businesses in the US haven't even touched AI yet? That's a $200 billion opportunity waiting for you. In this video, I'll reveal the top 8 profitable business ideas you can start today with insane gross margins, some as high as 90%. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned entrepreneur, these ideas will blow your mind. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which business to start in 2025 to secure your financial freedom. Let's dive in. Idea number 1. Chat sales agency, 40 to 50% gross margins. First up, the chat sales agency. Imagine closing deals worth millions without ever picking up the phone. Sounds crazy, right? But it's happening right now. Chat sales are the future, and by 2025, this industry will explode. Here's how you can start. Find a growing industry. Think roofing, solar, or consulting. Use tools like ChatGPT or Google to identify fast-growing sectors. Tap into demand. Partner with influencers or businesses that already have massive audiences, but aren't monetizing them effectively. Use a CRM tool. Platforms like Revio can help you manage chats, integrate social media, and even use AI to summarize conversations. Pro tip: focus on industries where customers are already ready to buy. This business is all about efficiency and scalability. If you can master chat sales, you could be looking at $1 million business in no time. Idea number 2. Personal brand agency, 40 to 50% gross margins. Next, the personal brand agency. Attention is the new oil and influencers are the new distributors. Companies are rushing to build media arms because they know the power of personal brands. Here's how to cash in. Pay for performance, charge a retainer, but also take a cut of the growth you generate. If you help someone grow their followers from 8,000 to 800,000, you deserve a piece of that pie. Double down on winners. Not everyone has the it factor. Focus on clients who are already showing potential. Ask for referrals. Viral word of mouth, VWOM, is your best friend. After a big win, ask your clients if they know anyone else who could use your services. This business is perfect for anyone who understands social media and has a knack for storytelling. And the best part? You don't need to be the face of the brand, just the brains behind it. Idea number 3. Ghostwriting agency. 50 to 60% gross margins. Ever heard the saying, everyone wants to write a book, but no one wants to write it? That's where you come in. Ghostwriting is a booming business with insane margins. Here's how to start. Get paid up front. Always secure at least 50% of your fee before you start writing. Leverage other people's platforms, OPP. Speak at events, get on podcasts, and network with entrepreneurs who want to write books. Specialize in a niche. Become the go-to ghostwriter for marketing, sales, or operations books. This business is perfect for writers who can adapt their voice to match their clients. And with the rise of personal branding, demand for ghostwriters is only going to grow. Idea number 4. Virtual assistant placement, 50 to 60% gross margins. Time is money, and everyone wants more of it. That's why virtual assistant placement agencies are crushing it. Here's how to build one. Get paid on delivery. Only charge clients when the VA starts working. Offer guarantees. Provide a 2-month replacement guarantee to build trust. Leverage resources. Send potential clients a copy of Buy Back Your Time to help them see the value in hiring a VA. This business is all about solving a universal pain point, lack of time. And with remote work on the rise, the demand for virtual assistants is skyrocketing. Idea number 5, virtual reality training agency. 60 to 70% gross margins. Virtual reality isn't just for gaming, it's the future of training. From flight simulators to surgical training, VR is revolutionizing how we learn. Here's how to get started. Sell enterprise packages, target big companies with deep pockets, offer ongoing support, create a subscription model for continuous revenue. Finance the hardware, sell VR headsets at a markup to boost profits. This business is perfect for tech-savvy entrepreneurs who want to be at the forefront of a massive trend. And with gross margins of 60 to 70%, it's a gold mine waiting to be tapped. Idea number 6. Gamified learning platform, 60 to 70% gross margins. Gamification is the future of learning. Kids and adults alike are drawn to platforms that make education fun and engaging. Here's how to build one. Sell before you build. Use existing platforms like membership.com to test your idea. Target enterprises. Focus on industries with high turnover like retail or sales. Offer freemium models. Let users try before they buy to build trust and loyalty. This business is perfect for educators and entrepreneurs who understand the power of gamification. And with margins of 60 to 70%, it's a no. Idea number 7. AI automation agency, 70 to 80% gross margins. AI is transforming businesses, and most companies have no idea how to use it. That's where you come in. Here's how to start an AI automation agency. Consult on tools. Teach businesses how to use AI tools before building automations. Focus on cash flow. Automate processes that directly impact revenue. Develop partnerships. Partner with companies that already have your ideal clients. This business is perfect for tech enthusiasts who want to help businesses stay ahead of the curve. And with margins of 70 to 80%, it's one of the most profitable ideas on this list. Idea number 8. AI-first SaaS business, 80 to 90% gross margins. Finally, the AI-first SaaS business. This is the future of software. Instead of selling tools, you're selling outcomes. Here's how to start. Pick a boring industry. Think legal, medical, or manufacturing. Pre-sell the service. Get clients to pay before you build anything. Build AI agents. Create specialized AI agents that solve specific problems. This business is perfect for entrepreneurs who want to be at the cutting edge of technology. And with margins of 80 to 90%, it's the ultimate business model for 2025. Idea number 9. Subscription box service, 50 to 70% gross margins. Subscription boxes are still a massive trend, and they're not going anywhere. From gourmet snacks to fitness gear, people love the convenience of curated boxes. Here's how to start. Niche down. Focus on a specific audience, like pet owners or eco-conscious consumers. Source products in bulk. Partner with suppliers to keep costs low. Leverage social media. Use platforms like Instagram and TikTok to showcase your boxes and build a loyal following. This business is perfect for creative entrepreneurs who love curating unique experiences. And with margins of 50 to 70%, it's a lucrative opportunity. Idea number 10, eco-friendly product line, 60 to 80% gross margins. With the growing demand for sustainable products, starting an eco-friendly product line is a smart move. Think reusable household items, biodegradable packaging, or organic skincare. Here's how to get started. Identify a gap. Research what eco-friendly products are missing in the market. Source sustainable materials. Partner with ethical suppliers. Build a brand story. Consumers love brands with a mission. Highlight your commitment to sustainability. So, which of these 8 business ideas are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Idea Flux, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on actionable business tips. Remember, the best time to start a business was yesterday. The second best time is today. See you in the next video.